Hey guys, welcome to Hania's final driving lesson. Her driving test is tomorrow, and this is her 7th lesson with me. So we've done it all within, it's been what, a week, just over a week. So like I said, 7 hours, this is 7th hour, and his test is tomorrow. And the last lesson we did the other day wasn't too good, was it?
Yeah, it is.
What happened? What happened with that other lesson where you kept getting confused? What caused you all the problem?
There
was one thing that caused you the problem.
I still thinking about the problem before and just forgot what I have to do next.
Yeah, but what was the main thing that caused you problems?
Roundabout.
No, the new thing that you had to follow.
Satnav.
Yeah, okay, the Satnav, yeah.
I hate the Satnav.
That was the first time. Obviously, before that you had a good lesson, but because you were distracted, you weren't familiar with the distances. Yeah, you watched the videos, on the app, and now you said you were a bit more obviously comfortable.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
So we're going to see it, guys. We're going to do another mock test today. Yeah. Do you think you'll be okay with the Satnav without any help now?
Yeah, I will try my best. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And guys, if you're wondering who that is Iman, Hania's daughter, who's going to accompany us. She was in a first mock test that Hania did with me, where Iman, what did you do wrong in that mock test when you were sitting at the back?
I spoke too much.
You tried to help her, Mum, yeah?
I tried to help Mum.
Okay, so try and avoid helping her.
Yeah, I'm not going to speak today. It's a daughter instinct, isn't it?
Right, we're ready?
Yeah.
Move off whenever you're ready, please. So following the Satnav, I'm not going to help you at all, yeah?
Okay.
And we'll see how many mistakes you make. Do you want me to tell you of the mistakes as they happen or at the end?
No, as they happen. Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
The speed limit is 30 miles per hour. Hania reaches 33.
Okay, I'm going to give you a minor fault for your speed there. It was a bit too fast, yeah?
Yeah.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit, then take the third left.
After entering this roundabout, Hania shows good lane discipline by sticking to the left.
Cross the roundabout, second exit, then take the third left.
After exiting the roundabout, she doesn't cancel the signal soon enough. There's a junction to her left.
After 200 yards, turn left, then go left on the roundabout.
She carries out good mirror checks before changing direction to overtake this parked vehicle. On the approach to this roundabout, Hania times the signal well. Last lesson, she didn't really understand the distances on the Satnav, but today she had improved a lot.
Turn left, then go left on the roundabout. After 200 yards, turn right, then sharp right.
This was one of the very few occasions she did get mixed up with where to turn. Luckily, we didn't affect any other road users. Remember, it's okay to go the wrong way during your driving test.
Turn right, then sharp right. After 300 yards, turn left.
This made me happy, especially after what happened last lesson. The Satnav has given instructions to turn left. Last lesson, Hania would have signalled straight away, which would have been too early. She waits until the correct time, which is around 100 yards before applying the signal. This is the kind of stuff, along with every other topic required to pass a driving test, that my Ultimate Driving Course app will help you with. If you're learning to drive, please download it and get the correct knowledge on every topic.
What's funny?
Just everyone is quiet. It's like something going wrong.
It's like your test.
Scary.
Yeah, this is how your test is going to be.
Sorry.
After 100 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit.
Again, at this roundabout, she shows good lane discipline. Her positioning on roundabouts is no longer an issue.
Quiet is good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
better. And
concentrate.
I can concentrate, yeah.
See, your last mock test, you were blaming Iman for talking. Yeah,
I
you got no one
did.
to blame now.
I did.
Cross the roundabout, second exit. After 300 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit. Then take the second left.
Here is Hania's first serious fault. I explain what happened just after the fault occurs.
Cross the roundabout, second exit. Then take the second left.
Okay. Why do we stop there for? Yeah, there's a car coming from that side, yeah?
Yeah. No?
Don't keep going, keep going. There's a car coming from that side, yeah?
Yeah.
Who had priority?
The right hand lane.
200 yards, turn
Sorry,
left.
focus on this. We'll park up in a second. Keep
Sorry?
going. Turn left here, please.
Turn left.
Don't want to keep going, keep going. Don't think about that now, focus ahead, okay? Park up anywhere safe on the left, please. Okay, so I just want to quickly talk about that roundabout there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you got to the roundabout, where should you be looking?
Right.
To the right, yeah? Was there any cars coming this way?
No.
No. There was a car coming from the left. He has to wait for who?
For me.
Yeah. What did you do though?
I wait for him.
Sorry?
I wait for him.
Yeah, exactly. You understand? Yeah? So I'm going to mark that. See, examiner may let you off because you didn't fully stop, but you did slow down for him. Yeah? You should have just gone there. Okay? So I'm going to mark that as a serious fault for hesitation. Okay? That's your first serious fault. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay? That's all it takes. But so far, much better with the Satnav. Yeah? Still a little bit of confusion. Iman, have you noticed any confusion or any issue with the Satnav so far?
Just slightly, to be fair, much better than what I thought. Because she said she was terrible at it, but
She was
But-
terrible the other day, yeah.
but from what I'm seeing, I think she's been much better than what I thought she described.
Much better. To be honest, what she described on that day is true because she was all over the place, yeah. Okay, today, the only thing I would say, just to be a bit more careful with it. Before you signal, make sure there's no other road. So even when we came to that roundabout, he said, right, yeah? There's a turn on the right there. So you signaled before the turn. Don't signal before the turn. Yeah, if there's another road, what could people think you're doing? Do you know?
Sorry, I don't understand.
So-
when I'm coming, yeah,
So here you were...
from the road,
Yeah, so here was a roundabout.
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah,
Here was your road. There was a turn there as well, yeah?
yeah,
Okay. And you were here, and he said at the roundabout, turning right, yeah? So you put your signal on here.
oh
If you
yeah,
put that signal
yeah,
on, what are people
yeah.
going to think you're doing?
I thought that I'm going to this road, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay?
Yeah.
So make sure you look out for the other roads.
Yeah.
And even if you have to signal a little bit late, it's okay.
Now I'm going to ask Hania to park up on the right hand side of the road. This is one of the driving test maneuvers. She signals right but doesn't park up due to the oncoming vehicles. It's okay to stop and wait for the oncoming vehicles to pass before parking up to the right. But Hania continues moving at a slow speed, confusing traffic behind, and eventually runs out of a safe place to park up at. We talk about this in more detail during the feedback at the end.
When it's safe to do so, if you could park up on the right hand side of the road, please.
After 200 yards, go right on the roundabout, third exit.
Okay.
I don't know if I have to go in this.
Cancel your signal. Keep going now. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going. Don't worry about that. Focus on
No,
that.
I'm not sure if I have to go in this line.
Don't
or
worry.
not.
Focus on your driving now, please.
Okay.
Go right on the roundabout, third exit.
This is the first exit. We are taking the third. Hania should stay in the right hand lane and only move to the left after passing the second exit. She moves over to the left too early, but did check her mirrors before doing so.
Take the exit.
You see how you came over to this side first? You did check your mirror though, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, remember, always said count the exits, make sure you count the exits, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay? That was one for lane discipline, but not serious, because you checked your mirror.
Yeah.
Okay, luckily. If you did not check your mirror, that would have been serious.
400 yards, go right on the roundabout, third exit. After 400 yards, cross the roundabout, third exit.
Like I said earlier, her driving on roundabouts has improved, but there is still a bit of confusion selecting lanes at more complex roundabouts. Hania hears third exit and presumes we're turning right. This isn't always the case, as I explain here.
Cross the roundabout, third exit. After 200 yards, cross the roundabout, third exit.
Pause there a second. Now, look, you're heading third exit and just going there. Which way is third exit?
Ahead.
How do you know it's ahead?
She said ahead.
She didn't say ahead, she just said third exit. Yeah? What have we learned? What are you not doing? What do we spend a lesson doing before? As soon as you hit
Third
the
exit, it can be ahead and or left.
But how can you tell? What should you look at now? It's right
Yeah,
in front.
it's
Look.
in the.
No,
in
look
the
at the sign. Okay, which way is third exit?
ahead.
That's it. You understand? Look out for the signs as well. At that roundabout, you got away with it. You went into the right-hand lane.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then you check your mirrors, you move back over. Okay.
Yeah.
So don't just look at that. Look at the signs as well and the markings and everything. Okay.
Yeah.
Which you're not doing.
Cross the roundabout, third exit.
It can be both lane.
You can
Because this one ahead and this one ahead as well and the right.
Yeah. Yeah. You can.
But we can use both. Yeah.
Yeah, you can. But what I'm trying to get is you weren't looking at the signs today, were you?
Yeah.
You wasn't looking at the signs.
No,
were you?
I didn't see the sign. I didn't
Remember
see the
we
sign.
said use both. Yeah, just to make sure, especially when you have time like that. You have
Yeah.
time there. Obviously, when you're driving at 50 miles an hour, sometimes it's hard to take everything in. Yeah, but we were slow. We were stopped. There was a sign there for you. That's it. Just stop here for me. Stop here. And reverse bay pod, please.
This manoeuvre she did well, her observations were good throughout and she ended up inside the 2 bay lines. She picked up a minor fault for not reversing fully into the bay.
Okay, so if you get reverse gear for me again, get reverse gear. Everything good apart from, look, going back. Can you see that there?
Yeah.
We still got space. Yeah, so go back a bit more.
Sorry, which one I have to, about the
Yeah.
red line, the red?
Yeah, keep going. Reverse.
Okay.
Carry on.
Okay.
Bit more. That's it. See, there's a curb, there's a car, so you can still see the
Okay,
space
oh,
there.
it has to be in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. See, that's the curb. This
Yeah.
is our car. Okay, so you still got space there.
Oh, okay, from here.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
yeah.
You get that,
Yeah. No,
Okay.
I understand, yeah.
Good. Right, if you could switch off the engine for me. This maneuver was good, yeah? Good observations as well, yeah? Okay. Much better than the other day. Much better than the other day,
Yeah.
but there were still a few mistakes, yeah?
Few mistakes.
And still the roundabouts, when it's a simple roundabout, turning right third exit, straight second exit, left first exit, there's no problem, yeah? Okay, but you still got to count the exits. Every single lesson that we've done, in the few lessons done,
Yeah.
I have to force you to count the exits.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it just takes one bit of confusion to make a mistake.
Yeah.
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 Okay, so much better than before. Yeah. Tomorrow I'm going to pick you up a bit early. We still got to go through the emergency stop, which we'll do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. Okay. We're going to go through all your maneuvers, but please just recap on the videos, please, and watch the show me tell me questions on the Ultimate Driving Course app.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
but much better now.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
a standard where you can easily
I
pass
feel
tomorrow.
better, yeah,
Good.
than
Yeah.
before.
Good. These routes that are
Yeah.
made, you did a lot of good stuff when we got into that Bilston Centre. There's speed signs for 20.
You did really well.
Yeah, you were nice and slow. It was good. Yeah. Just these couple of things that shouldn't have happened. At the mini roundabout, now this isn't going to happen tomorrow, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and join us for Hania's driving test tomorrow.
You didn't ask me if I have any question.
So I'm guessing you have a question. What's your question?
No, it's not my question. It's not a question. It's just advice. Please, guys, just listen to Pin, and you're gonna win.
Wow, that's a good one.
Whoa, yeah,
Hey, I'm going to use it. You know, if you pass tomorrow, yeah?
yeah.
Okay. Right, guys, and on that note, yeah. I'll see you next